a 40-year-old manufacturing company that was trying to do things much like they were doing them 40 years ago. This is a company that was very slow to adopt an ERP and very entrenched in very manual processes. And so when they tried to approach that first implementation 5 years back, what ended up happening is that implementation, that project just stagnated. So we decided, hey, we're already on Microsoft 365. Business Central just looked like a really logical choice. So here was the dual sweet spot was one, we went with a product that people were familiar with. We were familiar with Office, familiar with 365. Business Central was a logical extension of that. But two, we already had a relationship with Encore. So we decided to take an incremental approach. So they helped us accomplish in about 9 months what a complete phase one implementation after not being able to accomplish something for 5 years. That was the big success story right there. Encore really made it personal and they understood what our challenges were. Despite a lot of the resistance we had initially, we pushed through a lot of that resistance, and even our most ardent resistors were singing its praises by the end. The amount of time we've saved from data entry in BC, whether it's journal entries, invoice entry, sales order management, that was all being managed in spreadsheet. Our whole open orders thing was managed in spreadsheets. We have a couple very high volume customers, and we're constantly needing to monitor sales metrics. And that was a lot more difficult to do before Business Central. So it's giving us the ability to have data at our fingertips, to be able to manage customer relationships better, vendor relationships better, to be able to kind of to monitor relationship-based metrics. So Business Central has helped us become more nimble as an information provider to the decision makers, which has helped business processes because we can address things more proactively. When we went live, they were so diligent in how they developed the system that by the time we went live, it really wasn't that painful. Our go live actually went very smooth.